Hey friends, I want to give you today a short update on my multi-grafted jaboticaba, which I grafted 1.5 months ago when it still was like chilly in Austria, not cold, not freezing cold. Now it's freezing cold and the plant is now inside the house. It started to push and yeah, let's see the plant together. So first of all, I grafted 8 different varieties on one rootstock. The rootstock is a Savara, Plinia cauliflora Savara. This rootstock was 4 years old. I grew it by myself from seeds. I planned, since I started the seed, to graft this plant with multi varieties. So I forced it to branch out. As you can see, there are 4 main branches and they branched out more. So I have I had more space to graft on. And yeah, I grafted on it Plinia sp rondonia. This is a variety which they say which could be to ship, so it has a thicker skin. This branch is the Plinia aureana unesp. I have still the mother plant. It's not fruiting. Not one of the scions was from a fruiting tree. For me this is only to have the varieties on one tree, because I hope I can bring that tree to the tropics where I can grow it or have it to grow for a bigger plant. The next variety is the Plinia filtranta Charles Novak. This one isn't pushing now, but I checked it. The scion is still green, so everything is okay. The next branches, which is pushing heavily, a Plinia filtranta red lantern. This is a variety from Taiwan, which I bought 3 years ago from a guy who was selling a lot of different hybrids from Taiwan. This one was which I liked most, so I kept one plant and I grafted it on this multiple grafted tree. The next variety is Plinia grandiflora Butzois. The variety is Butzois. Very nice leaves. I have also still a mother plant. It's pushing now, so I will show you the growth of the plant. Very nice fuzzy leaves, nice color. I like the plant a lot. Then I have on the plant Escarlate. I grafted it on the top branch, so I grafted on the highest branches, the slowest growing varieties, so the tree stays for a longer time small. This one is pushing. Then the neighbor branch is Plinia sp Donagal. Also not pushing now, but the branch is also still green. So yeah, all branches. So I have 8 varieties. 5 of them are pushing. 3 aren't pushing now, but the branches are still green. I can see some growth nodes, so I think all 8 will grow, but let's see. Donagal, also a very good variety, which what I heard. Smaller fruit, but yeah. Then one of my most favorite varieties, the Aureana watermelon. It's pushing a lot, this branch, so yeah, I'm really glad. What I know, the varieties aren't the greatest to eat, but I grafted these 3 more to have the varieties on one tree and for their look, because each of these varieties have a really nice new grow, nice colored new grow, so this is more a variety bank, I would say, and for ornamental use it's like my bonsai. And if you liked this short update video, please go ahead, give me a like, subscribe to my channel if you aren't subscribed, and share my video if you know someone who wants also to graft, or maybe you want to graft a plant. I have some grafting videos. I will link them down below the video, and yeah, we will see us the next time. Bye friends.